Welcome to the GenAI field operations demo. We'll show you how to use Gemini to make your field agents more effective. And yeah, let's get started. So, the first thing is, as a field agent, maybe I want to know what is my current ticket. So what is my current ticket? I ask my assistant and it tells me I have to go to see Arkham Media Services. They have a problem. So I get into my car, I drive there, and now I'm at the site. So I am at the site. Yeah. What do you see? And I provide the picture. Normally I would use my mobile phone, but now we're on a laptop, so I have to provide the prepared picture. So now Gemini is looking at this picture and is telling me it's a Cisco ASR 1001 router. Seems to be operating. It gives me some hints what to look at. Well, I don't really know this router, so I want to know how to diagnose it. So how do I diagnose on the console? Well, let's see what Gemini tells me. All right, instructions. Okay, it tells me to connect to the router. Gives me several commands to check the status, check different parts of the status. Okay, so let's assume I've done this. So what does this mean? I have a picture of the screen output. Let's see what Gemini can tell me. And this is a real photo of the screen. It's not a text file or anything like that. So Gemini is really looking at the screen. So and it tells me that from the screen we can deduce that the interface 01 has a problem. Yeah, it seems to be flaky. Several more details here to explain how Gemini comes to this conclusion. It gives me a couple of things to look at. The SFP module, cables, etc. So let's just go the simple way. Let's take out the SFP module and check it. Is this module okay? So I have a picture of the module right here. Let's see what I get. Gemini looking at the module. All right, so it tells me this is a not compatible module. I shouldn't use it in this router. I have to replace it. And luckily in my box I have a lot of modules. Let me pick one of those and ask Gemini if this is the right one. Is this one okay? And now notice how I can work in context. I don't have to be very detailed in my questions. Yes, it tells me this is the right module. I can use this with this router. So I replaced the module. I've replaced the module. Is it okay now? And I give Gemini another picture of the screen with the latest status information. And so now it's going to tell me, well, it tells me that now everything seems to be in order. Everything is working. So it looks like we resolved the problem. Now to the last task, we need to document what we did. So I asked Gemini, can you summarize for documentation? And it's going to write a nice summary for me now. Saves me heaps of time. It also means I have to wait. All right, so here we have a summary of what has happened. We had the problem, we looked at the router, we replaced the module, we put in the right module, everything worked. So, problem solved. Now we can take care of the next ticket. Thank you.